Finally, a new device recently approved by the U.S. could change how concussions are diagnosed. It's called the iSync, and its inventors claim it can gauge a brain injury in a matter of seconds. That would make it ideal for treating athletes and soldiers who often need rapid diagnosis. CCTV's Karina has more.
It's about the size of a briefcase and contains two devices, a computer tablet and a virtual reality headset, making the iSync easy to use.
You hold it up to your face. It takes images of your eyes very rapidly while we show something visual on the display in front of you.
What you see is a dot moving in a circle, which you follow with your eyes. Less than a minute later, a graphic appears on the tablet, letting you know how it compares against a baseline of normal eye movement.
It provides a way to assess timing deficiency. So if there's a lot of variation in your eye movement in the direction of the motion of the target, then that's poor synchronization, poor timing that may be a result of a head injury.
The newly approved device comes at an important time. Awareness about traumatic brain injuries has increased in part because of the recent film Concussion and serious injuries in professional sports.
I found a disease that no one has ever seen.
The film is based on the true story of the doctor who discovered chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE, a degenerative brain disease linked to athletes who suffered repeated concussions.
If there's an injury, you have very little time to react. There's a lot of confusion, a lot of pressure. Having something that's quick and objective is a godsend to, say, a trainer.
If the eye scan is negative, it gives trainers a reason to keep players out of a game and protect them from further injury.
The iSync device just got approval from the FDA in January, which means that the company SyncThink is now free to market the product. Its first targets, sports teams and the military.
CEO Ernest Santin says the company has already been working with the U.S. military.
There's over 1 million active duty soldiers around the world, and there are some statistics that say up to 80% of soldiers are at risk for traumatic brain injury.
The company is offering individual subscriptions at $10 to $15 per year. If the device revolutionizes the way we assess concussions, it could be a small price to pay to help protect people's brains. Karina, CCTV, Boston.